What's up, guys? This is Michael here with Original Detailing Products. Today we have these yellow headlights and we are going to clean them using our headlight restoration, and then we're also going to protect them with our sealant that has Teflon on it, so it's gonna protect the lights against the UV rays. And as you guys can see, the headlights are extremely yellow, so it's very easy to to clean your headlights. If you don't have any power tools, all you do is you grab your headlight restoration, grab a microfiber applicator, and we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of product here, and we're gonna do everything by hand. Very simple, it's very easy. Here we go. Just keep scrubbing just like that, just like if you were applying wax, but in this case you want to go ahead and work it in, because the headlight restorer is going to clean it with all the abrasives that you have here. So all the micro abrasives are gonna remove all the yellowish from your lights, and it's gonna give it a nice and clean look. Plus, you don't have to use any power tools, so that's the best part of it. So you don't have to use any power tools. Now, if you have your own polisher, if you have a drill, and then you also have attachments so you can polish it with your drill, that's another way to do it. This time we're using nothing but just an applicator, microfiber applicator, and it's just that easy, guys. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it looks just amazing. See, very easy, and it only takes a few minutes to get those yellow headlights looking good again. Now the driver is gonna have more visibility at night, and not only that, but this is also going to increase the value of the vehicle. So if you guys are looking to increase the value on your car and you have yellow headlights, or headlight restoration is gonna do the job for you. Simple and easy. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab a microfiber towel. We're gonna grab our towel. We're gonna do a light buff, just like that. See? Now you guys can see some amazing results. That's the before, and here's the after. Beautiful, and it feels very nice and smooth. Now you have your headlights nice and clear, but our next step is going to be to go ahead and protect the lights. So we're still gonna go ahead and grab the same applicator. We're just gonna use a different side, and this is gonna be a clean side. We're gonna grab our sealant. Our sealant is gonna give it a high shine and also a high protection. This is good for paint. This is good also for your lights. You can also use it on glass as well. So different applications. This sealant, it's amazing. It's super easy to use. All you do is you do a light coat, just like that, just like if you were applying wax. See? So sealant on, sealant off. So here we go. We're gonna give it a few seconds until it dries. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my microfiber towel again, and I'm gonna grab a clean side. So we're gonna fold the towel. Always fold your towels in 4. That way you can have different sides: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then if you switch it, then you have 8 sides. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and buff it off to a beautiful shine. Here we go. Very good. See, it only took a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before and then the after. Very good. So now you guys can see how you can clean your lights with an easy step using the headlight restoration, and then also sealant for a high shine, high protection. And there you go. This is the before, the after. If you guys have any questions in regards of any of the products that we use today, visit our website, originaldetailingproducts.com. We'll see you guys soon on the next video.